Welcome to the Authority Property Management audio blog, where rentals, real estate, and reality collide. Whether you're renting it out, living in it, or thinking about investing, we've got insights, stories, and strategies to keep you in the know. Let's dive right into today's topic.
Attracting remote workers, rental tips for Reading landlords. Transform your rental into the ultimate work-from-home haven and watch tenant demand soar. The way people work has changed dramatically, and so has what they're looking for in a rental. With more professionals working from home full-time or on hybrid schedules, renters today prioritize comfort, convenience, and connectivity. Property owners in Reading can benefit from this shift by making their rentals remote work friendly. Why remote workers are a renter demographic you shouldn't overlook. Remote workers tend to be stable, long-term tenants. Many are professionals in tech, education, healthcare, or creative industries who value calm, well-equipped living spaces. Now, more renters are choosing single-family homes because they want space for both living and working comfortably. Even remote workers value an occasional face-to-face change of scenery. That's why proximity to co-working environments, whether dedicated facilities or local shared office hubs, can be a huge plus. These options offer flexibility for those who want a break from the home office routine. What remote workers are looking for in a rental. To appeal to the work-from-home demographic, property owners should consider how their space supports productivity. High-speed internet access. Fast, reliable internet is non-negotiable. If your property has access to fiber optic or strong broadband, make sure it's highlighted in your listing. You can also mention co-working hubs nearby. Action step: feature these amenities in your listings like just a 5-minute drive to ABC Co-working Lounge, and include photos or a neighborhood map that pins them. Dedicated workspaces. A spare room, nook, or even a corner of the living room with good lighting can become a functional home office. Install a built-in desk, floating shelves, and ample outlets. Choose ergonomic, compact furniture that maximizes light and minimizes clutter. Add thoughtful touches like a whiteboard or corkboard wall for idea mapping. Action step: promote these areas with staging or photos that showcase how they can be used. Quiet environment. Peace and quiet go a long way when working from home. Rentals in low-noise neighborhoods or with good sound insulation are a huge draw. Offer flexible lease terms. Remote professionals often need short-term or month-to-month options, especially if they're contractors or consultants. Action step: provide clear options for 3, 6, or 12-month leases, and highlight the flexibility in your listing headlines like month-to-month okay for digital nomads. Reviews and feedback. Nothing resonates like real-life success stories. Action step: ask current telecommuting tenants for a short review about how your property supports their remote careers, then feature that testimonial prominently on your website and listing sites. Marketing tips to attract remote professionals. When creating your rental listing or marketing materials, try these tips to highlight your property's work-from-home appeal. Use photos of staged home offices or desks with laptops, plants, and good lighting. Include keywords like ideal for remote work, home office ready, or high-speed internet included. Mention nearby amenities like coffee shops, libraries, or local workspaces that offer Wi-Fi. Keep the space in move-in ready condition with functioning outlets, lighting, and HVAC systems. Conclusion: small changes, big impact. You don't need a total remodel to attract remote workers. Just a few thoughtful improvements and strategic marketing. As remote work continues to rise, focus on connectivity, workspace design, local resources, and lease flexibility. Reading landlords who can position their properties as prime choices for the growing community of remote professionals will find themselves ahead of the curve. When you meet their unique needs, you not only fill vacancies faster, you build long-term tenant loyalty and maximize your rental income. Ready to attract the next wave of remote renters? Reach out to Authority Property Management today to discuss how we can help you optimize your listings for telecommuters. Call us 530-410-6085. Visit our website www.authoritypm.com.
Thanks for tuning into the Authority Property Management audio blog. For more expert landlord or tenant tips, local market updates, and property management support, visit us at 𝘿𝑎𝑟𝑒𝑑𝑦𝑝m.com. Don't forget to like, subscribe, or even drop us a review. Follow us on social media for the latest. Until next time, stay informed, stay profitable.